increase cell size in Microsoft Excel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the row height and column width step by step. First, open your Excel worksheet. Select the cell or row you want to resize. Now, go to the Home tab and click Format. To change the row height, select Row Height. Enter the height you want, then click OK. If you want to change the height of all rows, select the entire worksheet by clicking the triangle in the top left corner between the row numbers and column letters. Then go to Home, tap on Format, and tap on Row Height, and enter your preferred height. To change the column width, select the column or multiple columns you want to resize. Go to Home, tap on Format, and then tap on Column Width. Enter the desired width and click OK. You can also manually resize a row or column by dragging the border between the row numbers or column letters. And that's it. You've successfully changed the cell size in Microsoft Excel by adjusting the row height and column width. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Excel tips and tutorials.